Welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. So today's Navajo word of the day is going to be voting. To say voting in Navajo, you say ii'nich, voting. So tomorrow is the primary elections for Apache County, which is why I'm using this word, ii'nich, voting. To use it in a sentence, you can say something like Yiskáo, ii'nich, Yiskáo, which means tomorrow they're voting, or tomorrow is voting day. Or you can say diikah, today is voting day. Diikah. So some phrases you might hear might be something like adatio nich, which means all of you vote, 3 or more people, all of you vote, adatio nich. But that's in a future tense. You might hear people say ba adatio nich, which means vote for him or her, and I'll just make him a name like Patrick Thompson. Patrick Thompson ba adatio nich. Means vote for him or her, vote for Patrick Thompson. Patrick Thompson ba adatio nich. You might hear that tomorrow. Just to share the other phrase, if you're saying we're voting, or we will vote, or we're going to vote, future tense, you would say adadi'nich. Adadi'nich means we are going to vote. Adadi'nich. You can even say we're going to vote. Adadi'nilhodikah. Adadi'nilhodikah. And that's more if you want to use a more fluent sentence, like you want to be a more fluent speaker. If you're using a word like voting, the word changes depending on who is doing it and when. For example, if you're going to say I'm going to vote, it's atesh'al. Atesh'al means I will vote. It's in the future. If you're saying I'm voting now, or I'm voting, it's e'esh'ad. I'm voting. If you're saying I voted, you would say i'i'ah. I'i'ah means I voted. I'i'ah. Same thing if you're talking about somebody else like you would say adi'al. Adi'al means you're going to vote. Adi'al. Or i'i'adish. I'i'adish. Or i'in ahish. Did you vote? So again, a word like voting, it changes based on when it happened and who is saying it or what you're asking about. The word will change. It's not just one simple word. It changes. And again, for example, if you want to say did you guys vote? Like if you're talking to 3 or more people, adasi'onilish. Did you guys vote? And they might respond with oh adasi'nil. Oh adasi'nil. Or they might say oh adasi'tah. It can change based on what a person's more familiar with saying and how many people are involved. So a word like voting in itself is very complex. So anyway, tomorrow's voting day. Ako yiskáo adesh'al. Ako nido yiskáo adi'al. So tomorrow, make sure you vote. And that's today's Navajo word of the day. I'i'nich, voting. Have a nice day.